Hey guys, so welcome back to the NickiHeartBeat channel, and I'm here today, honey, with this non-Halloween look, honey. This was not intentional. I don't feel like I tried to look Halloweenish, but for some reason, I think it's the collar. I think it's this thing that I got on. What is this called? I be looking like somebody in the room gonna tell me, listen, what is this called? A choker. You know what? Maybe because I got this little choker on and look a little ooh, but that's not me, honey. I ain't doing nothing right now trying to be a little Halloweenish. I use 90% Maybelline products, so to me, can say this is a one brand tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I got this drugstore 90% Maybelline with a purple inner corner highlight, keep watching. They just don't even know. Alright y'all, so today I'm getting into that Maybelline. I'm doing an all Maybelline 90% Maybelline tutorial, okay? And I'm gonna be using this palette here, this Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I'm gonna be real with y'all, when I first got it, wasn't feeling it. Not gonna lie, but you know, I worked with it a couple more times. I'm like, okay, this is a good drugstore palette. I have been using it. I used it on Workbeat Wednesday. If you guys aren't following me on IG Live, make sure you're following me. I do Workbeat Wednesdays. I try to do it every Wednesday at 6:45 a.m. Show you guys how I do my makeup for work using affordable products, a lot of drugstore products. So if you're not following me on IG Live, make sure you follow me, NickiHeartBeat, so you can check that out. Let's get started. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Hangover Twins. Yes, I know that's not Maybelline, but that's what I'm gonna use. I don't have any Maybelline primers that I like. Don't have any, sorry. For foundation, I want to use my Super Stay. I like to mix it though, so I like to go in with 220 first in the stick. Cover her up. And I like to get the foundation of the Super Stay. So I like the stick, get the foundation. This color is in 310. I'm gonna use a little bit of that foundation to help blend it out. And you don't have to do this. I'm just extra and that's what I'm doing, okay? So next I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind in the color Light Pale. Then my favorite part using these Maybelline products is this Super Stay in 330. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this so much. I use it all the time. This color right here is like the perfect contour color for me. And I just love how it just melts into the skin. Just use the bottom of the beauty blender and just get a little bit of extra product and then just pounce it on my face and just it just blends so beautifully. I didn't know that. And I'm still gonna add like one more layer of concealer, just one more layer. Don't the Maybelline Super Stay just make you feel like, why did I just spend $50, $60 on that foundation that other day? And I ain't gonna say the name of it. Don't it make you ask that question? I don't know. But why did I do it? It just makes you ask those questions. But yet we still do it. Here's another product that's going to make you ask questions. This right here. Honey, loose finishing powder in the color 15. Honey, it's about to make you ask some more questions, okay? So I'm going to put the extra on the back of my hand like I always do. I'm going to start from here, honey, and I'm just going to set my under eye. It sets so beautifully, and I do have some left over on my face, but I kind of want to leave it there because I plan on going in with the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow, she's a little dusty. Okay, I have two Fit Me powders with me. I have the color 355 and then I have the color 220. See how them edges not moving today, honey? Got that gots to be on them edges today, honey. Now for my nose contour, I am going to use MAC only because this 330, what is this? This 355 color, honey, that's not for my nose. That can't be for my nose now. Still have to add blush, highlighter, and everything, but this is basically the base. And then I want to go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my brows, because guess what? You know my brows ain't no damn Maybelline. Alright, so brows are on, eye base is on. You know I don't use no Maybelline on my eye base either, y'all. Three things. My primer, my eyebrows, and my base for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use what I use, okay? So that's why I had did the math, and I said about 90% is Maybelline that I'm using. So you know, just do the math. Anyway, so we're getting into this gorgeous palette, you guys. I almost returned it. I'm so glad I didn't though, because it really is a good palette. I just needed to play with it and figure it out. So I'm gonna go into this gorgeous color right here called Crushing. Should put some loose powder down, but I'm gonna wait till my lid. Sigma E40 to just start blending out that harsh line. Don't want no harsh lines over here, honey. With my Morphe M504, we're just laying the groundwork right now, you guys. Go in with this smaller brush, just Morphe M507, same color. And I'm gonna just get right in there. This is what I need to do. I need to get up in there. I'm gonna take my small brush and I'm gonna start working this orange down. This is gonna be a very blowed out look. I think it's gonna be a colorful look, because yeah, there's a lot of pretty colors in here, so I think it's gonna be a colorful look, you guys. Next, I'm gonna dip into these two colors right here, this Cola Flow and a little bit of Root Beer. Start deepening up my crease. So I'm using the orange on a clean brush to just diffuse and blend as I go. the smaller brush in those two darker colors, I'm packing it on. I'm going to go in with these two colors here, Cherry on Top and Grape Pop. Right on top. I'm just gonna have to pack it on. Yeah, we'll pack it on. You know what? Time to get the loose powder. Let's get the loose powder. I went ahead and just added my lashes and some wing liner because it's not Maybelline, okay? And I really want to add a little bit more color to my eyes, but this is not a Maybelline pencil, so I'm just gonna do it anyways because it's my party. I can cry if I want to. So I'm going to add this color Torch, which is one of my favorite colors. I'm just gonna add a little bit more color. My blush, I'm using this orange blush here. Forgive me, you guys. But the Maybelline blush that I have, I don't want to use. I want peach, and I don't have peach, I have pink. This Master Chrome, you guys don't know the story behind this, but I dropped this and for some reason I haven't been able to buy a new one. So yeah, this is the Maybelline Master Chrome. If you watch my Work Be Wednesdays on IG Live at 6:45 on my Instagram, NickiHeartBeat, then you will know the story behind why I can't show my Master Chrome. I just can't show it, you guys. It's an embarrassment. It's an embarrassment. It's really time to get a new one. It's time. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Pretty. Amazonian. This is not the color that I want to wear, you guys. And this is the only Maybelline lipstick I have. This wasn't planned out well, was it? Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. And I love the way it came out. I just love how it's like a purple, dark, smoky eye with a pop of purple inner corner highlight. And I love it, you guys. It came out really good. I just want to say I really like this palette, you guys. You have to go out and get it. It's worth about 12 bucks. And I didn't even mean to look a little Halloweenish. Kind of sort of looking a little Halloweenish, girl, and it's probably because of my outfit. I'm going out with my girls, so just know that that was not intentional. I just really want to highlight a couple of the Maybelline products. I really love the Superstay foundations, the stick and the liquid. Love both of them, you guys. Go out and get them. Out of everything that I used today, these are my two favorite items. Also, I really love this Fit Me powder, this loose powder. It's bomb, you guys. You have to go out and get it. Like, to find a loose powder, a good quality loose powder at the drugstore, that's honey, that's complicated. Also, this lipstick right here, this is Superstay. This is Superstay. I have talked, drink, ate, in this lipstick, honey, and it stays all day. I don't know if it really looks like it matches on camera, but in person, I love the way it looks. So definitely, you guys, try all of the Maybelline products. I feel like I use 90% Maybelline, so I'm really proud of myself. You know, there's always those staples that we want to reach for in our collection, but I try to stay true, at least what I have. You know, I didn't have everything Maybelline, but I did have a lot of Maybelline stuff, you guys. Definitely a fan. Let me know down below what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. You know, did y'all know subscribing was free? Did y'all know it? It is. I don't know if you had heard or if someone's saying nobody told. Listen, it's free. So all you gotta do is just click that little button, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.